That's gonna break. Let's get it together. If you've ever shipped ceramics and it arrived broken, I hate to be the one to tell you this, but it was your fault. Sorry. We're gonna make sure that doesn't happen again though. We're here to learn. We're gonna use honeycomb wrapping paper, fragile tape, packing tape, in a tape gun if you have one, and a cardboard box. Let's start. So the reason that I typically will use honeycomb wrapping paper instead of bubble wrap is it's not just that it's better for the environment, recyclable, it doesn't take up as much space. It's so easy for me to just stick this in the corner of the studio. Bubble wrap, it's plastic filled with air. If there were to be a fire in my studio, bubble wrap would throw oxygen into the fire and accelerate it in a really terrifying way. And as someone who often is worried about electrical fires because of my kiln, I really don't want to have more things in my studio that could potentially be another fire hazard. Maybe that's just me. This one is called Honeycomb Wrapping Paper. It's from Packaging Supplies by Mail. You can get it online. There's free shipping and they also have dispensers, but this is a huge roll. It's gonna last me forever. So first we're gonna pull this off of the roll, and this is gonna be really fun for both of us. Ugh. There is a similar material to this that's just like a sort of construction paper material that comes in a roll. I don't like it as much because you usually need a dispenser to cut each piece off. I like this because I can tear it with my hands and it's just one less thing I have to buy. We're wrapping this guy. Position it at the end of the paper and then you're just gonna keep rolling it up like a burrito. Remember to keep stretching the paper as you roll. That's perfect. If you're squeezing and it feels like there's definitely ceramics right under that first layer, you need to wrap it some more. I have this really nice fragile tape. I'm gonna just cut a piece of this off and use it to secure the paper. Give it a little kiss. This is a 9x9x9. I'm gonna pack it in there diagonally so I can hopefully at least get 2 inches of void fill on every single side. When you're packing anything fragile, you always want to make sure you also tape the 2 seams on either side of your flaps. Just like that. All right, we're gonna make a little bed of paper inside the box. So satisfying. Crumple that up. Now you can put your piece inside on top of its bed. A little handwritten note and a business card. Some people think that putting a fragile sticker on a box will make your parcel delivery person like more rough with it. I think that's a really cynical view. I think they're pretty nice people and they try their best to protect your boxes. And now she's ready to go off into the world. Much better.